My name is Shahid and I'm the head of Litewerkz. Orbit is an immersive artwork inspired by the solar system. So we wanted to use this as our inspiration to create an experience that can actually trigger visitors to ponder their relationship within the larger universe. For this year, we are working with 3M's retroreflective materials. Visitors are encouraged to interact with the installation through flash photography. This actually triggers different light effects that reflects off the art piece.
3M believes in applying science to improve lives. Through this collaboration with Litewerkz, we wanted to show how science could be applied to art and design. The retroreflective materials used in the Orbit's installation is commonly used in traffic signs to make roads more visible and safer for road users. The use of 3M micro-replication technology, the science of retroreflectivity, and the manipulation of light creates different visual effects. Through this installation, we hope to bring science closer to people and inspire the next generation of thinkers and creators to make Singapore an even more attractive place to live in.